Jamlick Muturi na uria ni minister ugima wa mwiri thiini wa kaunti ya Embu augite thirikari ni thagathagite wega gutigirira mutaratara ucio no wakinyanira itanya inene ari guteithiriria arutwo university kugacira mathomo-ini mao na njira iria yakiriire mambiriria mathomo ma urigitani.
So when we train them from here, we will benefit from having the staff with us, working for our people and also learning from our institution. That's the way, as a government, we will be able to partner with you to implement this particular program. So as a government, we are not sleeping, not slumbering, but we are working with you hand in hand to ensure that you actualize your dream.
Nihithuriti ati nimekiraneire thairi na ruhonge ruria ruthurimaga na kuhitukia thukuru wothe uraheana mathomo ma masters hari uthinjani undu uria uigite o kuhura njeki university ya Embu. Ikinya riri rikiyukio na njira nene ni vice chancellor wa Embu Professor Daniel Mugendi Jiro.
This certification affirms the university's commitment to ensuring that our processes adhere to the requirements of the standards for information confidentiality, integrity, security, accuracy, and availability. It is also an indication of the university's unrelenting commitment to adopting best practices and processes for quality management and customer satisfaction.
Kuringana na ripoti ya mwaka wa 2013, Thirikari ya Embu ni irekereirie kigina gia shilingi milioni 2 cia guteithiriria arutwo kimathomo kuhitukira bursary. Hadwini Hakameme TV, Jitagwo Maina, Kihumo.